So you're thinking about a Tesla? Electric dreams, right? Imagine gliding down the street in futuristic silence, a smug grin plastered on your face under that panoramic sunroof. But hold on a sec, haven't you heard the whispers about electricity bills skyrocketing with a Tesla? Fear not, my eco-conscious comrades, because today we're busting myths and crunching numbers to answer the burning question, how much does a Tesla really add to your UK electricity bill? First things first, let's ditch the one-size-fits-all approach. Teslas come in various battery sizes, and your driving habits are unique. Someone zipping around London for work won't use the same juice as a weekend cruiser. So, we'll need to explore a few factors to get a clear picture. Factor numero uno, your electricity tariff. Think of your electricity tariff like a gym membership. Different plans offer different perks and prices for your energy consumption. The standard rate may be your current jam, but there are EV-specific tariffs offering way cheaper electricity during off-peak hours, typically at night. We're talking prices as low as 5p per kilowatt hour compared to the average daytime rate of 30p. That's a whopping six-fold difference. Here's the trick, Teslas can be scheduled to charge automatically at night. Imagine waking up to a fully charged car that cost peanuts to juice up. EV tariffs are becoming increasingly popular, so a quick chat with your energy supplier might unlock significant savings. Factor numero dos, how much you drive and where. Let's get down to brass tacks. A typical Tesla battery can hold around 75 kilowatt hours. Using the not-so-frugal daytime rate of 30p per kilowatt hour, a full charge would set you back roughly £22.50. But remember, you'll rarely need a full top-up. Most folks just top up for their daily commute. Here's where location comes in. City slickers with shorter commutes might use less electricity compared to highway warriors. Let's say you travel 30 miles a day. The average Tesla uses around 4 miles per kilowatt hour, so that's 7.5 kilowatt hours for your commute. At 30p per kilowatt hour, that's just £2.25 per day, way cheaper than filling up a petrol tank, right? Factor numero tres, efficiency matters. Just like you wouldn't expect a marathon runner and a couch potato to burn the same amount of calories, Teslas, and all EVs, use varying amounts of energy depending on how you drive. Aggressive acceleration, blasting the AC, and heavy loads all contribute to higher electricity use. A gentle driving style, using features like preconditioning the car while plugged in, so you're not using battery power to heat or cool the cabin, and keeping unnecessary weight out of the trunk can significantly improve your efficiency. The big reveal, so how much does it really cost? The truth is, it depends. With an EV-friendly tariff, strategic charging at night, and an eco-conscious driving style, you could be looking at an additional cost of just a few pounds per day on your electricity bill. This can easily be offset by the significant savings you'll make on petrol or diesel. But wait, there's more. Remember, there are government incentives in the UK for owning an electric car. You might be eligible for grants to offset the cost of installing a home charger, and there's even a benefit of zero road tax for most EVs. The final spark. Owning a Tesla doesn't have to break the bank. By being a savvy energy consumer and driving efficiently, you can experience the joy of electric motoring without blowing a fuse on your electricity bill. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.